In this video here, I'm going to reveal to you two great YouTube marketing tools that you have to check out. They're 100% free. You don't need to become a member of anything or pay for anything, and they allow you to reverse engineer YouTube videos and search terms. This is the web page here. The first tool, there's two tools. This is the first one here. This is the second one. The first tool, you take a video from YouTube and you put it in here. So we'll go to YouTube now and grab a video. Take one of our videos. You just get the link for the video. You put it in here, click View and Extract YouTube Tag. And it's going to show you the tags that the uploader entered for the keywords. In other words, when you upload a video, you put in tags down here. And these are what show here. You can click this button to view these tags as hashtags. And I'm going to show you the benefit of that in 1 second. The second tool here is even more powerful. You put in a keyword phrase or a search term, press the Enter key or press the button, and it's going to return to you the top videos on YouTube for that search term. You can view the videos by clicking the video title, which will open to that video in a new window. Click the button underneath the title of the video, and it's going to give you the tags for that video as well as the average number of daily views for that video, which is calculated by taking today's date, subtracting it from the date that the video was uploaded, giving you the number of days that that video has been online, and then you divide that by the total number of views the video has had, and that'll give you the average number of views that video is getting per day. You get your tags showing here. Again, you can click here and view them as hashtags. See, there's the average daily view count. And what's powerful about this tool is the idea that a YouTube video is successful. Certainly the tags that YouTuber is using is extremely important to the success of the video, as well as the title. So this allows you to copy the success, find the videos that are getting the most average daily views, copy their tags, copy their headline, make your website just as popular as theirs. Now I'm going to show you a little trick with these hashtags that a lot of people don't know about. When you upload a video to YouTube, we already discussed inserting the keywords here, but one thing people don't know is that if you put at the very end of your video's description, it's got to be the very last thing on a separate line at the bottom of the description, you put in hashtags. So let's say you were going to use these tags for the video's tags down here. You would then also click to convert them into hashtags, copy them to clipboard, and paste them at the very bottom of the video description. And what that does is it makes those hashtags show up hyperlinked just underneath your video. And when you click them, it's actually going to go to a YouTube search for that hashtag. Like if you click this hashtag here, it's going to perform a YouTube search. And that's very powerful SEO-wise. So come to this tool here, give it a try. It's 100% free, some very powerful information. It's really going to help popularity of your videos. Just find the most successful videos. Again, you enter in the main keyword phrase you're targeting for your video, click the button, then find the video that is getting the most average daily views. Like for example, this one's getting 757 per day. Copy the tags, you put the hashtags at the bottom of the video's description like I just explained. You use the same title and you should have similar success. Maybe you'll even have better success.